Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the IELTS exam at home. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Knowing the format helps you strategize your study plan effectively. Next, honestly evaluate your current English skills to identify areas needing improvement. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your preparation. Finally, establish a consistent study routine, dedicating specific times each day or week to your IELTS practice. For the listening section, immerse yourself in various English audio like podcasts, news, and documentaries, focusing on understanding accents and details. Practice active listening, not just passive hearing. In reading, hone your skimming and scanning skills to quickly locate key information and answers within passages. This saves valuable time during the actual exam. Additionally, commit to expanding your vocabulary. Learning 10 to 15 new words daily significantly boosts comprehension across all sections. To excel in writing, practice crafting essays and reports within the strict time limits, focusing on coherence, cohesion, and grammatical accuracy. Seek feedback on your written work to understand areas for improvement. For speaking, record yourself answering common IELTS questions. This helps you identify pronunciation issues and improve fluency. Furthermore, engage in daily English conversations, even with yourself, to build confidence and natural expression. Consistent practice is key to mastering these sections. Regularly taking full-length IELTS practice tests is essential to simulate exam conditions and manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly analyze your mistakes to understand why you made them and how to avoid similar errors in the future. Don't just focus on the wrong answers. Understand the correct ones too. Finally, dedicate time to reviewing fundamental English grammar rules and common sentence structures. This reinforces your foundational knowledge and improves overall accuracy across all 4 skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.